Hello guys, this is your 14th 3DS Maths class. So in this class, we learn about kitchen interior and toilet interior. So let's begin with the class. Uh, I have provided CAD files for both of these kitchen and toilet. So just download that files, guys, and see. Let's open the CAD file. So in the CAD file for kitchen, we have these drawings. So in this drawing, we have the floor plan of the kitchen and then four side elevations. Wall A, wall A is wall, and there is a wall C which has an opening on side, so it is wall. And then we have wall B, wall D. So these are the details that we will be proceeding in the previous one. So here we have a ceiling plan as well as the section of the ceiling. So now, next thing is we have to import this CAD file into the previous notes file. So let's continue with that. Now come back to previous notes file and just import that CAD file to here. So go to file, click on import. We have to click this import. Now go to the file wherever the file is located. So click on class 14. You have these two files. So now click on the kitchen file and click OK. So this dialog box appears. So whenever this dialog box appears, just make sure layer blocks has no hierarchy. This thing is selected and then click OK. Now press Alt W to enlarge the perspective view report. And now select all and make a group. Then click on the move, give a right click and make sure these all are moved to 0. So before starting this drawing, just make sure go to customize and unit setup. So this feed, this fractional inches feed, and just make sure the system units it is in inches. If this is in millimeters, just change it to inches. Then only you will be able to draw it proportionally, or else the dimensions will be different. So okay guys, now let's continue with the class. First, click on the box. So let's create a wall. Just turn on the snap power. Give a height around 10 feet 6 inch. So the sill height should be almost 3 feet 6 inch. It should come above the counter. So like this. So once after creating this wall, now let's create this side cabinet of this wall. So it will come on this side. So now let's create the cabinets for that wall. So just click on box and first we'll create a countertop of this kitchen. Give the value 2 feet 2 inch, including the projection. And then let's create a skirting using the box. Give the value around half inch like this. And now using the box tool, Let's create this everything. For this, give one feet 11 inch. Now like this, create all the boxes accordingly. So, okay guys. Now, once after creating all the boxes like this, now the next thing is select each box and go to modify and click edit poly. So select this box and click edit poly. Select each and every box and click edit poly. Now, once done after making edit poly for all the boxes, now select particular box and go to edit poly. Click on polygon. Once click on polygon, select the topmost surface and give a right click. Here, give a value insert by polygon and give amount of 1 by 8 inch. Click, give a right click. So, this gap will provide the difference between the shutters. So there will be a small gap between each shutter. So for that, we will create uh, we'll create it like this, giving the insert value and then give again a right click and give x2 by polygon and give 1 inch like this. So now come out of this edit poly and select this one. Do the same thing for all the boxes now. Okay, guys. Now to create handles, uh, bevel handles between these cabinets. So for that, now let's create it. In, now let's just see how I create that kind of handle. So select this box, click on polygon, select this polygon, turn off the snap polygon, and move it to the y-axis like this. Now go to shapes, click on line, click on the line tool, turn on the snap polygon. Just draw a line like this. Now just again trace, just now again trace on this line. Click on this apply shell. So like this, now you can give an amount. Just a close shell. In this way, you can give an amount. Or else the edit polygon. Just click on this word box and move it like this. Turn off the snap folder and move it like this. In this way, we have made the handle first. So like this, we can make a handle in the kitchen cabinet. So this is like a modern style of handle. Just have keeping a finger on this edge and just pulling it out. So this kind of handles will be made like this. So now let's create a upper movement. So just again go to create, click on standard primitive geometry, standard primitives, and click box. Turn on the snap power and start creating. For this, just give it up to 1 feet. 1 feet projection is enough. So again, create a box. So in the upper cabinet, same process like how we created a box and then uh, made an edit poly and give the inset and extruded the projection. So the same thing will be done in the above part also. So click on the box, go to modify, give edit poly, and just click on one box, select polygon, right click, give inset, select polygon, give value at 1 by 18, and again give a right click, press extrude by polygon to about 1 minute, like this. So once after done this job thing, for this thing, just copy these objects and paste it. So turn on the snap powder. So like this, we have to create a cabinet for a kitchen base. So like this kind of handle, we have to draw. We have to just make this kind of handle wherever that we need. So we'll just place this handle on here also. Just select this box and click on polygon. Isolate this box. Click here and just move it little bit back. Now isolating, just move it like this. Now select this, click on vertex, put this, and move it like this. And what I'll do, Now select this box, click on polygon, select this, and move it like this. Now again, unisolable, just make sure like this. Now again, select this, click on polygon, click this, and move it like this. And then come out of it, select this, select this, click on vertex, move it like this. Select this handle, click on vertex, move this also like this. So like this, we have to make the kitchen cabinet, guys. Till here, try this out, guys. We'll continue the class in next few minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now let's continue with this. So now, once you have been, you have just completed this. Now, next thing is we'll draw a tile using plane. So go to create, click on plane, just turn on the smart product, draw it like this. And now turn on the wedge spaces, where just increase the segments like this. So now just turn off the snap bubble and just isolate this thing. Now go to modify, give edit volume, select edges. Once selected edges, now give a right click and give sound effect. Just give 0.25 inches like this. And then detach it, detach it. Just give it tick, just complete this and now detach it. And then select the polygon like this. And now give a right click, select the polygon on Press Control A to select all, and now just do text to give the amount value by polygon, give the amount value like 0.25 inch. Then make it as a tool. Amount of this, now select all. Now just make it as a tool. Okay. Now unisolate the string. So like this, we have created this whole thing. So again, just hide this alt plus sketch and make it again this as a tree. And now rotate this. Now just move it and place it. Just place it like that. That's all. And now let's create a floor plan. So again, click on plane. So the next thing is now we have completed this thing. So this work we have completed. So the next thing is we will make this wall. So here we have a storage unit, storage, microwave, this kind of storage, and then tall unit, lift up, pull out, and this corner. So here we have already made one corner. With this place we should not create anything. So in this wall, here we should not create anything because we have already created this corner on this wall. So this alone we should not create. Rest all things we have to create. So let's continue with this. So first create a box and make it as a 2 feet. Go to modify, give edit body, select polygon, give a right click and extrude it as a 1 inch. This one is just to uh, give effect, a smooth effect. So again, give extrude 1 inch. Right polygon. Now just select this right and transfer this like this. Our next thing is this storage. So now let's create the rectangle. Isolate this rectangle and now go to modify Click on Edit Spline. Now select the spline. In the spline, just give an outline, like 1 inch. Now apply a shell modifier and give the amount of shell modifier like 2 feet. Now unisolate and again create a plane. Create a plane like this and just make segment 1 to 1. This alone, let's make it as 3. Or so like this. And then go to modify, click on edit all. Now just move the edges. Click this edge and move it like this. Then click this edge and move it like this. Click on this edge, I can move it like this. Now just select, just unisolate thing. Just isolate this thing and now chamfer it. Give the value to and make it as just increase like this. Okay. And now detach it. Detach it. Select this and just provide a shell. Make it as 2 feet and just click everything. Click on and make it over 2. And now unisolate the chicken. So like this, we have created shell. Now again, we have to create another storage. We'll create a plane coordinate and make the segments as 1 by 1. And now in modify, just give a shell amount. And let it be like ½ inch or 1/4 inch. Just move this. Just move this on the inner side like this. And make it as a true. Or unisolate it. So like this, we have created this unit. And then let's create this unit. So click on box The upper unit should be just 1 feet. That's it. And then create a rectangle for this storage. Create a rectangle, isolate this thing, go to modify, click edit spline, give an outline around 1 inch. And then apply a shell modifier. Let the outer amount be 1 feet. Again, create a plane, make the color like this. You see the storage thing, and just make it as 3. Now, give edit poly, select the isos, right click, chamfer, like this. Now, detach thing, select this, and give a shell modifier. Make it as 150. That's all. Now, make it as a 2. Then unisolate this thing. The rest thing is you have to create this part alone. We don't need to create this, only this part alone. So for the just create and make it as 2 feet. 2 feet, 2 inch, like this. And bottom storage should be 2 feet, just 2 feet. And now we have to create a circle like this and make this as just 0.25 inch, like this. And now unhide things, hide this line and make it like full. Now rotate this and move it to this format. This corner unit shouldn't come. It is just overlapping the. So let it be like this first. Now unisolate everything. So like this, we have created 2 units. Now unhide the plan. So we have done, we have made 2 units. We have did this unit and this unit. So till here, try this out, guys. take few minutes and practice it. We'll continue the class in few minutes. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay, guys, now let's continue. So now we'll create this ceiling part. For that, just go to this thing, shape, and now select the rectangle, trace it out from where, and move it upwards. Once creating the rectangle, just move it upwards like this. Now using a line, trace the section part. Just trace the section of the ceiling. Now rotate it first. Just rotate this like this. And move this also little up like this. Now just select this rectangle, go to modify and click on sweep. Once you click on sweep, use the custom section. Click on the pick. You have to pick this line. Like this, we have created. Now just we have to inverse this. So just click on the mirror on XZ plane. So see guys, exactly what we want. We have got the false ceiling of this. So just to close this, create another plane over the top of this. Just click on plane, turn on the snap power, create a plane like this, and make the segment one by one. That's how it is. Now, now just make it as a group. Make this as a group and move it to the place like this. Now it's coming outside. So for that, just go to modify, apply FFP2, FFP2, and now here just click on control points, select these two, and move it. Select these two and move it like this. Move it like this. Then select this tool and move it like this. So like this, we have left the ceiling. Now the next thing is you have to know the placement of this. So for that, just see. So it is around 1 feet 6 inch. So it should move downwards 1 feet 6 inch. So just select this and give a right click here and move it minus 1 feet 6 inch. So like this, we have completed the ceiling part. So that's all. And now let's create this side of unit. Once completed that, let's create this side unit. So here again, this unit and this unit won't come. Only center part of the thing is going to come. So let's create guys. Click box. First, let's create the countertop. Turn on the smart border like this and make it as 2 feet 2 inch. And then we'll create the skirting. Skirting should come from end to end. So let the skirting be 0.25 inch. Now let's create this unit and let it be 2 feet. Like this. So the next thing is we have to just project the things. So for that, select each and every box and give an edit volume. Now click on polygon, select this, give an inst value by polygon of 1 by 8. Now just again give an extrude. So again click here and give an extrude by polygon amount of 1 inch. So this is the advantage of making instance copy here. So once you edit here, others also will be edited. Now let's create the upper unit. So this unit not required. So let's delete this unit as well. Let's delete this unit. That is not required. And now let's Create this unit. Upper menu. Click Drop. Turn on the start comment. Make it just one sheet. Make an instance of this. Like this. Now this unit we have to create using rectangle. Just isolate this. Go to modify. Click edit spline. In the spline, we have to create an outline. Let's give 1 inch outline. 1 inch. And now apply strength. One sheet. And then the next thing is we have to create the plane. So here just give amount 3. Give edit poly. Select the pictures. Now give a right click and transfer this. Like this. And now extrude it. So before extruding, just detach it. So just detach it. Once detached, just select this and apply shape like this and make it as a clip. Open. Now unisolate this. So this unit is also ready now. Just click it and unhide the plan. Hide the plan. Now make it as a clip. Make it as a clip and rotate this. Just select this and select this. Now isolate things. Again, rotate this guys like this. And now move it to the corner like this. Unisolate everything. So like this, we have created the kitchen unit first. Now unhide all. So till here, just try this out there. Here, take few minutes and try this all this thing, ceiling and this side of and we'll continue in the few minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now let's continue. First, we'll create a tile extrusion for this plane, and then we'll try to decorate something on any side of the wall of this kitchen. Like we'll try to decorate something on this way, and then the next thing is once you finish this modeling, the next thing is just you have to copy objects and paste here using that copy paste objects. So, okay, guys. Then after that, we'll see how to create toilet tiles and things. So let's continue, guys. Hide this, press Alt H, select this and make segments like 5, 8, like this. So this is enough. So unhide the ceiling. Just select this and isolate this iron like this. Now go to modify and click on edit poly. Just select the edges, press Ctrl A to select all. Now give a right click, give chamfer, give value to and increase the chamfer like this. Or else just type 0.25 inch and give a click there. Now detach this, just select the polygon, press Ctrl A to select all. Now give right click, give extrude. Give the amount as 0.25 inch like this. Now select the whole thing, just make it a queen. Come out of this. Now select the whole thing and make it as queen like this. Now unisolate the thing. So we have created tile kind of thing. The next thing is we have to just isolate this. We have to create something like design. So we'll create lowers thing. So just go and let's create a plane. Turn on the auto build like this. And now change the segments and increase the vertical segments like this. So okay guys, just click on edit poly. Now click on polygon, select like this. So before that, just we'll use the cut option. So just select on edge and under the edge, edit geometry, you have cut option. Just click on cut. Now turn on the snap power. Now just select the polygons and delete this. Just press shift and move it like this and delete. Press, click here, see, click here, press shift and move it like this and click here. Now delete all this. Select this polygon as well and delete. Now click on edge and give a right click. Just press Ctrl A to select all the edges. Now give a right click and click on chamfer. Give the amount to increase it. Now give a tick option and detach detach it. Select this and hide this. Now click on this, select polygon, press Ctrl A and give a right click and extrude it. Give an amount 1 inch. Give a right click. And now make it as a group. Select all, make it as a group. Okay. Press Alt U to unhide everything. So like this, we have created something on the wall. Just hide this. So like this, we can create something design kind of thing on the wall. So that's all guys. Now let's continue with the toilet part. So this is the toilet file. I have already provided this CAD file for you. So just see that this is the plan and now we have four side elevations. So this one is marble part and remaining everything is tiles. So we'll create this thing now. So we'll just import this on the 3ds Max file and then we'll start creating this. Okay guys. Now come back to 3ds Max file. Go to file, click on import, select this pilot file and click on open. Just make sure layer blocks has no hierarchy. Split by material is selected and then click on OK. So make it as a group and now move it to 0, 0, 0. So here it is. Now just move it like this. First, let's create a wall using box. Turn on the snap cover and let's create a wall. Give the height around 10 feet. Now just select it and hide this. Now again, create a box, make a height as 2 feet and move this on Z axis 5 feet. Like this also we can make windows. Like this also, this is also one method guys to create the exact cutout for the window or ventilation. So after 5 feet height, we have created 2 feet by 2 feet ventilation. Now again create a box. So like this, we can cut a clear window. Now let's start creating the tiles for the, see, this side alone is a tiles, this side is a marble. So this will be divided into segments. This won't be divided into segments. Now go to standard primitive, click on plane. So before creating tiles, we'll create a vanity thing. So click on box, make it 2 feet extrusion, and then click another box, just trace it up. Now using a line, just create this. Now go to modify and apply shell. Just give it as 2 feet like this. And now let's create a circle. Go to modify, increase the interpolation to give a smoothness like this. And now create click on extrude or shell anything. I have just given extrude and give amount of like 0.25 inch. And then again create a circle. Now this time just turn on the enable render in viewport. Now again draw a circle like this. Move it like this. Go to modify radius like this. So this is a mirror and this is the LED light running on the mirror. So just make it as a group. Make this also as a, okay, leave this as it is. Now let's create a tiles. So go to create and select on geometry, click on plane. Turn on the snap toggle, drag it till low. And now change the segments to one by one. So this is proper. Give length segment as 5 and width segment as 1. Just give width segment as 1. And now uh, just select this and go to modify, give edit poly. Just select the edge, select these edges, pressing on control point and move it like this. That's it. Now select, press control A, select any one edge and press control A and just isolate this tile. Hello. Now give a right click, chamfer, 0.25 inch, click OK, and then just click on polygon, select. Here we don't need to detach because these are the small amount, so we can just without detaching just select each polygon and give a right click and give extrude by polygon, give amount as 0.25 inch like this. So then make it as a group. Just select the whole thing and make it as a group. Okay, like this. Now unisolate the thing. So like this we have created. Just move these things little bit above. Just move these things little bit above like this. Like this. Now create another plane. Now let it be 3 and now go to modify. Click on edit poly. Just click on it. Select this thing and move it like this. Select these edges and move it like this. And now go to cut option. You have to select this cut option. Now just cut this part. Cut this part alone. And now turn off this cut. Now select on polygon. Delete this. Delete this. And then again select on edge. Press Ctrl A. Give a right click. Click chamfer and give amount of 0.25 inch. Click right click and now again select on polygon, Press Ctrl and select each and every polygon. No need to detach here. Just click each polygon like this and press right click and extrude it. By polygon, give amount 0.25 inch like this. Just isolate this thing and make it as a group. Now unisolate everything like this. So like this, we have to create a tile space. So now let's create this thing. So again, we have to create a plane, turn on the start angle, and just make it as one. And for here, make it as two. Just select this and go to modifier, give edit bubble. Select the edges, click on this edges, move it like this. Now go to cut option, select the cut option, turn on the snap bubble, cut it. Okay, sorry, let's cut it from here. Click here. So let's start it from here. Cut it here and then till here and then till here. Just turn off the cut option. Now select on polygon. Again, we have to cut like this. Now select on polygon like this. Just delete these polygons. Now we have things like this. So select this and unhide this. Make it edit poly. Select edges, press Ctrl lever, give right click, chamfer, chamfer 0.25 inch, give right click, and now select on polygon, give right click, X2 by polygon 0.25 inch. Now select this one, click on edges, click Control A. Now give a right click, press on chamfer, click 0.25 inch. Now select on polygon, select all the polygons, like this. And now give a right click, click extrude by polygon, right? 0.25 inch. Now make this both as one tool, or let it be like this. Now unhide all things. Just create one more plane. Simple plane like this. This might be a marble kind of thing. And just make it as one by one. Nothing should be there. Then just go to modify, click on edit poly, just extrude by poly. Point 0.25 inch. That's all. Same thing do for this also. Then, then go to modify, edit poly, polygon, extrude by polygon 0.25 inch. For this, click on edges, just cut the use this cut option, use this cut option, select this, click on polygon, give a right click, extrude it by polygon 0.25 inch. Now come out of this, select this plane, give edit poly, select edge, and now use the cut option. Now select on polygon, just delete this. Now select on edges, just delete. Okay. Press Ctrl, just select this polygon and hit extrude by polygon like this. So now let's create another plane. like this and make the length segment as 5. Now isolate this thing, go to modify, hit edit poly, select the edges, press Ctrl, give right click, chamfer, give point 125 inch. Now just select the polygons, give a right click, press extrude by polygon with 0.25 inch. Now I'm select things. Now just hide this, press Alt F, and now make this thing as a group. Now just rotate this. Now just move everything and place it. Create a floor. Just create another plane like this. Create a floor like this. And increase the segment like this. Just go to modify, click on edit body, click on edges, press Ctrl A, give a right click, chamfer, amount 0.25 inch. Now click on polygon, select all the polygons, give a right click, extrude by polygon 0.25 inch. That's all, guys. So like this, we have to create a toilet layout, tile layout. So here there is something called mesh thing. So we have a mesh which is minus 4.5 inch inside that. So for the we have to create the box. Turn on the snap toggle like this. Turn on the auto grid and now let's create a fence. Just make sure it is 1 feet 8 inch, right? So make it as 9 inch and move it on the x-axis, like -9/2 inch, -9/2 inch, like this. So select this wall, go to compound objects, click on Pro Boolean, select on Start Picking, select this. So in this way, we can create a niche kind of thing. So using Pro Boolean, we can create a niche. So that's all, guys. So that's all. Okay, guys, that's all for this class. So try this out, how to create a toilet, and then practice these things. So this class is over for now, and the next class is the final class of the 3ds Max class, guys. So in that we will learn about how to create exterior modeler. So next class will be the final class. So okay, guys, practice up to here. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.